Modern industry strives for automation. Robotic solutions are a profitable investment with a quick return on investment in any industry. The weighing equipment plant offers comprehensive solutions for packaging and filling. The line consists of modules that can be selected and assembled according to customer needs. The process begins with precise dosing and automatic bagging. After packaging, the bag is labeled and securely sewn. The bag then passes through a forming conveyor. The robotic arm accurately and quickly places bags on pallets according to a specified pattern. Automatic pallet feeding eliminates downtime. Finished products are securely packaged in stretch film and sent to the warehouse for onward shipment. The implementation of robotic production lines from the weighing equipment plant is a step toward profitable and efficient production.